welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another layered hair look video. This one is going to be different because in my previous video you guys really liked when I did the layered style on my wig, and that was a closure wig that I did the layered style on. This time I'm going to be doing it on a 13x4 frontal wig. Another difference is it's going to be on a highlighted wig this time, and I got this wig from Ali Pearl. So before I even get to doing the video, I just want to add in a few details about this wig. So this is a 13x4 18-inch wig, highlighted wig, and the density for this wig is 180. So basically we're gonna see how this wig turned out. This is going to be a detailed voiceover. So for this first half, you will just watch me install this unit and I will do this step by step. time for me to add the layers to my hair. And in this part, you're gonna just see me separating the hair so that I can cut my hair in sections. So I take my scissors and I cut down in an angle. So as I'm cutting down, I'm just pushing the scissor further and further away from each cut, sort of like a diagonal line. So until you see the hair gradually going from short to long, like going downwards, then I'm just going to continue to cut until it really gets that layered look, that layered effect. And I'm using this hair razor just to give the hair a feathered type of look, like just to add that natural feathered look to the layers. So for the most part, what I'm going to just be doing is basically cutting the hair until I can really see how defined the layers look before I flat iron it. Just like this, you can see that this hair is perfectly layered. So this is another very important step to creating your layers. You want to make sure that when you are flat ironing your hair, you want to basically move your hand in a motion of like as if you're bumping the ends of your hair. So you're gonna watch me flat iron, and then I'm gonna curve it in to add the layered look. For this side of my head, I always struggle to get the right hand position to cut the layers because I don't know, I just can't cut with my left hand. But anyways, here I'm just doing the same process as I did on the other side. I'm basically cutting in a slanted position, and I'm just going to continue to keep cutting until I see that desired layered look. Again, with this side, I'm just going to take a section and I'm going to flat iron and then curve the flat iron inwards towards me to get that layered feathered type of look. Just to define the layered look more, because some pieces were just too long for my likings. I'm basically just cutting and then bumping until I get that desired layered look. So now I'm adding the finished touch. This is the Garnier Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. And I love this serum so much. It just makes my hair look so shiny and it just brings out that luster to the hair. So this is the final look. I am obsessed with these layers. I love these layers so much. They came out so cute and it's definitely giving what it was supposed to give. And I really love how the highlights also bring out the layers as well. I'm 100% satisfied with this hairstyle. Just the quality of the hair in general. It is so soft. It doesn't tangle. It doesn't shed. With that being said, I may have to make Ali Pearl another one of my top favorites because their hair is very, very good. Okay, loves, thank you for watching. And if you like this look, don't forget to comment down below and like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more content.